Hello, this is Nick with nickscomputerfix.com, and here's a video on the new features in Windows 8.1 Update 1. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here. On the start screen, there's two new buttons in the top right-hand corner. The first one's a power button, and if you click on it, you'll be able to put your computer to sleep, shut it down, or restart your computer from the start screen. Now, right next to the power button, there's a new search button, and if you click on it, you get a command prompt, and you can type in anything that you would like to search for, and you have the ability to search everywhere from that command prompt. Okay, another new feature is on the start screen. If you right click on an app, you can unpin from start, pin to taskbar. You can uninstall. You can resize the app and turn the live app off simply by right clicking on that app. Okay, another new feature in Windows 8.1 Update 1 is the ability to have not only desktop programs, but also um, Windows Store apps and modern apps on the taskbar. That is really cool. And if you right click on the taskbar here and click on Properties, and there's a little check mark right here that you have to have checked to make that happen, show Windows Store apps on taskbar. And when it's not checked, they disappear. And let me go ahead and put that check mark back and hit apply again, and as you can see, they do show back up again. All right, I really like that feature, so check it out. I'm sure you're going to be happy with it. All right, the next new feature in Windows 8.1 Update 1 is the ability for your computer to boot directly to your desktop. So if you right click on your taskbar and go to Properties, and under the navigation tag, make sure you put a check mark. If it's not checked already, put a check mark right next to when I sign in or close all apps screen, go to the desktop instead of the start screen. I think this is a really cool feature, and I'm sure you're going to like it. Okay, another new feature is on your modern apps. When you're using your mouse, on the top there's a new title bar. And if you move your cursor up to the top, it appears. And over to the left hand side, you get a little menu. When you click, you can do a few things such as minimize, and you can also close. Now over to the right hand side of this new title bar, you have a minimize button there and an X that allows you to close the app right on the app screen itself. Okay, in Windows 8.1 Update 1, SkyDrive has been officially replaced by OneDrive now, and you go into change PC settings, and on the left hand side, instead of the word SkyDrive, you will now see OneDrive, and that's basically the cloud storage that you have available in Windows 8.1. Okay, if we stay in PC settings and we go over to PC and devices, there's a new line item in the column called disk space, and if we click on that, we're able to at a glance very quickly see where all of our disk space is going to on our computer. I'm using for my test computer a 40 gig hard drive. It's a small one, and you can see I'm using very little disk space. Okay, the last new feature that I want to talk about is new apps. Whenever you install a new app, Windows 8.1 Update 1 will notify you with this little one-line item that says a new app is installed. And if you click on the down arrow here, which takes you to the app screen, you'll also be able to see the new app being labeled with the word new on it and highlight it in the app screen. Okay, that's it for this video. Subscribe and like my video.